Good day viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the topic simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equation are equation that has two variables. They share two different variables. That is simultaneous equation. So first let's look at types of simultaneous equation. We have various types. We have elimination method, tree method, elimination method. So we have substitution method. And three, we have graphical method. So elimination method, we are going to start with the first example of elimination method. Example 1. Two x plus 7x equals to minus 5, and 5y minus 7x equals to 12. So in elimination method, we have two different variables. One of the variables would be eliminated. You can eliminate y, likewise you can also eliminate x. Now the first thing we look at is, before you can eliminate any variable, it must be the same variable. 1. 2, you must have the same number. If for example you have x, then plus x minus x will give us 0. If we have 7, we must have 7. So we can see that the number are the same and the variable are the same. If you have 6x and you have 7x, then you cannot eliminate it. So, but when you have the same number and the same variable, you can eliminate them, because plus 7x minus 7x will give you 0. So therefore, we can eliminate this. We look at the sign, then 2y plus 5y will give you 7y. We have minus 5. Minus 5 plus 12 will give you 7. So we have to divide both sides. Divide both sides by 7. You divide both sides by 7. If you don't understand simple equation, you can search some of my videos. I have simple equation so that you can be able to understand it better. Now, when you have 7, the coefficient of y, and you have 7, it is the 7 coefficient of y, you will divide both sides by. Okay? So, this will give us 7y equals to 7. We divide both sides by 7. 7 will cancel 7. Y is equal to what? 1. Okay? Y is equal to 1. So, we can now pick one of the equations to solve for y. Remember, it's a simultaneous equation. Whenever you solve for x, you must solve for y. When you solve for y, you must solve for x. Okay? So I'm going to pick one of the equations. You can pick this, it will give you the same answer. You can pick this, you can pick y, the same answer. Okay? Okay, so if I'm picking the first equation here, 2y plus 7x equals to minus 5. So my y is 1. I will substitute 1 for y. So this will be 2 in bracket 1 plus 7x equals to minus 5. So I'm going to multiply the number from the bracket, which will give me 2 times 1 is 2 plus 7x equals to minus 5. So I'm going to collect item. 7x is equals to minus 5. This will cross over to this part, becomes minus 2. So you have 7x is equals to minus 5 minus 2 will give you minus 7. Okay, so we are going to divide both sides by 7. This cancel this. X is equal to 7 is 7 is 1, and we have minus. So when x is minus 1, y is equals to 1. Now, we can also use this as the second equation. 5y minus 7x equals to 12. So if you are using this, you get the same minus 1. 5, what is our y? Our y is 1 in bracket minus 7x equals to 12. Okay, so 5 will multiply 1. 5 times 1 is 5 minus 7x equals to 12. So we are going to collect like 10. Minus 7x is equals to 12. 5 will cross to the other side, becomes minus 5. But minus 7x is equals to 12 minus 5 will give you 7. So you divide both sides by 7. With this we cancel this. We have minus x equals to 7 is 1. So minus will be shifted to this, becomes x is equals to minus 1. So that is the first one. And the second equation for today is 3x plus y equals to 13. 5y minus 12, 2y equals to 7. Now we can solve this with substitution method at the same time with elimination method. Let's go on elimination method and we'll solve substitution as well. Now we can see that we have y, we have 2y. None of this is corresponded. Now, 3, if we have 3 here, we can cancel this, but we have 3, we have 5. So it's not possible for we to cancel. We have y, we have 2y, it's not possible for we to cancel. So the best way is for you to, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay, so we are going to use equation 1 for this, and equation 2 for this, equation 1 to this. This is 1, this y is 1, and this is 2. So 2 will come up, 2 multiplied by 3x plus y equals to 13. Then 1 will come down. 1 times 5x minus 2y equals to 7. So 2 times this will give me, 2 times 3 will give me 6x. 2 times this will give me plus 2y. 2 times 13 will give me 26. 1 times 5 is 5x. Minus 1 times this will give you repeat the same thing. So you cross this. Now you can now see that we have the same number and the same variable. Then this will cancel this. 6x plus 5x will give you 11x. 26 plus 7 will give you 33. So we are going to divide both sides by 11. So when we divide 11 by this, this will give you what? 3. So we can pick any equation of this. If I'm picking 3x plus y equals to 13. So 3, my x is 3 in brackets plus y equals to 13. So 3 times this will give me 9. And we have plus y equals to what? 13. So y is equals to 13 minus 9. This will cross to the other side. Y is equals to what? 4. So when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. So if we are to solve this in substitution method, we have 3 x plus y equals to 13, and we have 5x minus 2y equals to 7. So in substitution method, the first thing we are going to look at is we are going to pick a single variable. You can see out of this equation, this is the only one that has a single variable. So I'm going to bring this down. This 3x plus y equals to 13. Then I will take this one to the other side. Y is equals to 13. This will cross to the other side, becomes minus 3x. I'm done with that. That is equation 1. This is equation 3. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So therefore, the second one is 5x minus 2. What is your y? Your y is this. In bracket, 13 minus 3x equals to what? 7. So 5x, 2 times this will give me 26. Minus times minus will give me plus. 2 times this will give me 6x equals to 7. So I'm going to collect item 5x plus 6x minus 26 equals to 7. This will give me 11x minus 26 equals to 7. So we have 5x plus this will give me 11x minus 26 equals to 7. So we are collecting like, remember this one does not have x. This one does not have x. So this will go to the back of this, which will give you 11x is equals to 7. Minus will change to plus because there is invisible minus. So minus times minus gives you plus. Plus was 26. So 11x 11x equals to 33. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of 11. 11, 11. So x is equal to 11 in 33, we give you 3. So you can see that what we have in elimination method is 3. And in this, we have y is equal to 4. So let's see if it will give us the same answer. So we can pick any of this equation. If I'm picking 3x plus y equals to 13. 3, what is my x? My x is 3 in brackets plus y equals to 13. So 3 times 3 is what? 9. Plus what? Y equals to what? 13. So this will give you collect item. This is the variable coefficient and coefficient. So coefficient will go to coefficient, which will give you x, y is equals to 13. And if this one is going to the back, becomes minus 9. So y is equals to 13 minus this is equals to 4. If you are picking the second one, it will still give you the same answer. 5x minus 2y equals to 7. 5, your x is 3, minus 2y equals to 7. 5 times 3 is what? 15. 15 minus 2y is equals to what? 7. So when we collect the item, this is minus 2y equals to 7. This will cross to the other side. Minus 15. So therefore we have minus 2y equals to 7 minus this, we give you minus 8. We divide both sides by the coefficient of minus 2, minus 2. Minus we cancel minus, 2 we cancel 2. So what we have here is y equals to minus 8 over what? 2. Minus 2, sorry. So minus cancel minus, 8 divided by 2, you can see that y is equals to what? 4. So you state the question when x is equals to 3, y is equals to 4. Okay, so that is the end of the class. Please, more videos I'm going to be uploading by the special grace of God. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we are through elimination method, substitution method. In the next video, we are going to do graphical method. Thank you.